The 2011 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, 8 speakers, fog lights, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, bucket seats, compass, trip computer, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.